Hi friends, welcome to the channel Nation Speaks Up. I am Orithro from Jadavpur University. Have again joined with all of you with another new video, Our Independence, with which we are emotionally attached. So let us friends travel to that historic moment, that historic day of 15th of August 1947, when the Indians started to come up to the streets celebrating with crackers and sweets. But on the side, we saw poverty, we saw illiteracy, we saw unemployment, we saw the screaming of hunger and malnutrition of children below 10 years of age and death of children on the streets. Is this the scenario of independence our bravers fought for? Now friends, if we turn over the pages of the India's struggle for independence, we can see thousands of young faces who sacrifice smilingly for a better life, a good society, a quality life for us. Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, Ram Prasad Bismil, Chandrasekhar Azad, Ashfaqullah Khan, and many others. Subhash Chandra Bose, Prafulla Chaki, Bhaga Jatin, Khudiram Bose, Vinay Badal Dinesh, and especially women figures, Pritilata Vadadar, Lakshmi Saigal. These are the bright examples of the bravery of women, the women's strength in the struggle of independence against the brutal British imperialism. After 1947, a constitution was drawn on the basis of India's culture, India's customs, India's tradition, and on the basis of the ideology, the principle of the freedom fighters, rather the freedom struggle of independence. But if we minutely analyze the condition of our independence, then the question arises that has the true independence come in our life? Has the women community got the rights? Has the children got the rights? Have we got our basic rights? The question still remains. Because we can see poverty, we can still see malnutrition, we can still see unemployment, even we can still see communal riots. The words written on the constitution that secularism, democracy, republic, but observing the independence, when we are coming to home, we are hurting our co-citizens of another community. Is this independence? Is this patriotism? When one is forced to salute the national flag, when one is forced to stand in the time of the national anthem, is this the true patriotism? Is this the true nationalism? Is this that independence? Friends, now poverty is a natural scenario in each and every street. The dreams that our freedom fighters dreamt of still are having a question mark in terms of fulfilling after 70 years of independence. Our freedom fighters fought for that society which preaches of love, which preaches of devotion, which preaches of humanity, which preaches of human love. Because independence is a matter of emotion, patriotism is a matter of dedication, a love towards one's own motherland. And this can be a show off that yes, I am loving my mother. But friends, we still believe that we can achieve the dreams of the freedom fighters. We can achieve that society for which our freedom fighters sacrificed their own life. And we believe that we can achieve that one day. Thank you friends, up to this much only. In the next video, I shall again join with all of you with another new topic. Till that day, stay safe, stay healthy. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.